Please welcome back to your learning area, which is of course learn area. Now today I'll be showing you some of the string functions. Now just for today is the bonus day, so I'm gonna show you more than one function today. So we will be covering these all four functions today itself, right? So let's start with the function substitute. Let's list it down. The first function that I'll be covering is going to be substitute, which is more or less like to be replace function. Other one is going to be upper. The next one would be lower function, that you can guess yourself what it's going to be actually. And the next one is going to be proper function. So let's jump back to the Excel workbook and let's see how does it work. So here comes, let me first delete this thing. Alright, so yesterday in the last video, not yesterday exactly, in the last video we saw how we can replace some of the characters from a string. Alright, we had somewhere 16 characters, out of which we replaced the middle 8 characters. If you missed my last video, then I would request you to please visit to my channel and search for the function replace, where I have covered it. Now let's go back to the substitute function. Let's say here we have two @ here we have one @ again here we have two @ and if you see, this is the name like Maria Anders, Anna Trujillo Chong, Anna Trujillo Chong, Thoma Hardy, right? These all are the name basically, and this @ symbol is making this name quite hazy. This doesn't look good. So if you are working in data industry, data analytics industry, most of the time you get unclean data, and this could be a part of that. So let's see how we can change this @ symbol with a space, right? So let's try. First we're gonna hit equal to sign, and then you would type SUB, substitute, and then you'll get the option over here, substitute. Now simply you can hit the tab key from your keyboard, and then it asks which is the cell where you have the text in which you want to make some changes. So here is our text which has the character that we want to change, right? So I just selected my text. Then here it suggests to put a comma. If you see, comma, then it asks me to put the old text, the text that I want to change. So of course the text that we want to change is @. So let's put that in double quote. We need to put it always in quotation, and then put comma again. Then it asks me to put the new text. What is the text that I want to replace with? So of course it's gonna be a space, and then hit close parenthesis button, and then hit enter. Now here it comes. If you see, then it has replaced the @ symbol with a space. Alright, so now let's drag it for all the values. It was pretty simple over here, that you could have done with replace function as well, but it's quite helpful in this case where you have two @ symbol. Here replace function would not help you. So let's drag it for all these. Alright, so if you see, everywhere it has changed the @ symbol with a space. Alright, hope you guys have understood this thing. To refer to the function, please look at to this formula bar. Alright, let's jump to the upper function. What does it mean, upper function? Like its name itself suggests converting the string in uppercase, right, in all capital letters. Let's see, we have the name in small letters and somewhere you want to do the printing or reporting where you need the name in all capital letters. So what we are going to do is just hit equal to sign, press UPP, you got the option, you got the function, hit tab, select the text. Now this is going to be our text, and again it says close the bracket. I close the bracket, hit enter. Bravo, it's converted the text into a capital letter. Now let's drag it. All the text is converted into a capital letter. Here it this size is a bit less, so let's expand it. Alright, now you can see that all the text has been converted into capital letters. Same goes with lower letters. So let's say these all are in capital, these are capital and small both. So now we want to make all these things in small letter. How we can do it? Simple. Equal to, type the spelling LOW. Now you got the function over here. Hit tab key. Oops. Select the text that you want to convert. No, not this one. Here it comes. And close this bracket and hit enter. Wow, it's converted. Now let's drag it again, expand the width. Now you have the things in small letters. Alright, now the last function that we are going to cover for this video is proper. What does it mean? As the name itself suggests, proper means the appropriate way how it should be. Means this is the name. So ideally we write each block of our name with a capital letter. I mean wherever it ends one word, I mean wherever it starts the next word, the first letter remains capital. So if you see over here, this is the correct format of typing a name. Alright, so let's suppose if you are getting the data all in small letter or all in capital letter, and then you have to bring them in this format. How would you do that? So this is actually going to be useful for you all guys. So so please pay a bit of attention to this. Although this doesn't have a different way, it works in the same way, but this is going to be quite useful for you all guys, and you are going to be using this function more frequently as compared to these two. Alright, so let's start. Put equal to sign, type PRO. Here you see how you can select this. Just press the down arrow key twice. Now it is selected. Hit the tab key and then come and select this text. Close the bracket, hit enter. Bravo, it's converted. It's converted over here. Now if you see, this is the actual format how we should write a name. Alright, so today we learned how we can substitute some character within a text, how we can convert that text in uppercase, then how we can make all in lowercase, and then how we can make it in a appropriate format to type a name. So keep in mind, these are the 4 functions that we covered today. If you have any question, any doubt, please do not hesitate to put your question or doubt in the comment box. Feel free to ask me the question, feel free to dislike it as well if you don't like it. Feel free to provide your suggestions, but do not forget to subscribe or like to this video. Thank you very much. Signing off for now. Goodbye.